Hi, this is Dan with Hiking the Ozarks. I'm here today to talk to you about the Smith IO goggles. These are pretty much the top of the line goggles that Smith makes, and a couple different features that they have. Number one, they're helmet compatible, so you can wear them skiing, mountaineering, a variety of alpine sports, outdoor activities. Come with a really comfortable, easily adjustable strap, so you can wear it on any kind of situation. The goggles themselves fit exceedingly well and are really comfortable. They come with this really nice thick foam around the inside that fits really good. Comes with a little nose plate over across the front that fits really good on the bridge of the nose. And the lens themselves, they have little spots in the bottom that allow for venting to come in here to make these goggles extremely breathable and ventable. And basically, in other words, they don't fog up, condensation doesn't develop on the inside. But also, these particular goggles come with 16 different frame colors and designs, and like 8 different lens different designs. This particular lens is a mirrored lens, but you can also get it in a variety of other lenses, mirrored and not, and you can get them in category 3 and category 4, and you can even get them in a clear lens, which makes this goggle exceedingly popular for mountaineers. That way, when you're doing your summit push in the middle of the night and it's really windy or the snow's really blowing, you can put your clear lens on. You can climb all night long in these. And then when the sun comes up and it's really reflecting off of the snow, you can go to a category 3 or 4 lens. And that's really easy. All you basically do is just pop these little deals open like this. And the actual lens just comes right out of the nose. Slides right out, just like this. You pop this out. There's your lens. You pop the next lens in, and you're good to go. So it's going to be a mirrored lens like this, or you can go with a clear lens for nighttime activities. So if you're looking for a goggle that you can use for skiing or for mountaineering, this is the best goggle that I've used to date. And on my upcoming trip to Nepal, this is definitely the goggle I'm going to be taking.